Today's tutorial is going to be about pen and ink techniques, and the first one I'm going to start with is hatching. Now, hatching is where you just draw lines going across. Now, you want to make sure you start from the same point. Notice how I'm not taking my pen and just going back and forth, back and forth. I'm starting all from one line and moving in the same direction, and that just makes it look way more organized and cleaner, and it'll give you a nice professional look. The next one is stippling, and stippling is just dots. Now, just so you know, you're going to want to have a pen that's got a nice easy flow for stippling. Otherwise, it's not going to work. A marker also works for this. The next one is dashes. Now, I should have done cross-hatching before I did dashes because it's pretty much just like tiny cross-hatching. But dashes are great for smaller areas or areas that have just a little bit more of a softer texture. And so I just kind of like having just those little differences, and you don't have to keep them all in the same direction. But when you go into cross-hatching is a much bigger kind of technique. So you like the top part where cross-hatching takes over a whole area. Cross-hatching again will be a little bit of a bigger angle. Now in the next one, you're going to see me do two other techniques, the random lines and contour hatching, like contour cross-hatching. Now contour cross-hatching is pretty much the same thing, except for it has a curve to it, and so you can see it go around a circle or around the edge of something that is nice and smooth. And so these four are just kind of the starters, but there of course are many, many more. All right, so the next thing, when you do circles, always make sure you have a light source so that you have that bright point on the edge of your circle as well as your darkest point as well. So as you can see here, I'm doing the contour hatching, and that makes it look cross contouring makes it look like it's going around an edge. And as you can see, stippling is taking me a lot longer. And you're going to see as I go back to my other piece, stippling actually, I took a break from it every once in a while. You don't want to have to just force yourself to keep going with it. As you see, I made it a little bit smaller, and then you'll see I take a break from it. And keep that in mind when you're doing your actual project. You don't have to keep going on one area. You can kind of go back and forth with it. Now, the reason we do these gradients is so that you can practice doing true black, and that's really important. So that is all for today. I hope that you have fun trying this on your own, and good luck. So you want to do the two sheets, the two practice ones, one with the gradient like this and the other with the circles, so you can practice what it looks like around a curved surface with a light source, getting that shading down and also practicing how to get true black. Good luck, everybody.